The kidneys are two important organs of the urinary system, which have the task of regulating the body's salt and water balance and filtering the blood, eliminating waste substances present within it through urine. The kidneys can be affected by numerous pathologies that compromise their functionality, such as the formation of kidney stones, renal failure, pyelonephritis, and many others. Therefore, to keep the kidneys healthy or avoid the worsening of some kidney diseases, it is important to follow a healthy and balanced diet, favoring the consumption of certain foods. In fact, there are some fruits which, following the results of some scientific studies, have been shown to possess nephroprotective properties as they help preserve kidney function. But which are they? Let's go and see them. Blueberries. Blue, black, or red are just some of the over 100 species of blueberry that we can find in nature, especially on small shrubs that grow spontaneously in the undergrowth areas. Lovers of acidic and humid soils, blueberries are small berries with a rounded shape that belong to the family of berries, rich in vitamins, mineral salts, and antioxidant substances. Blueberries in particular are true friends of the kidneys, so much so that the National Kidney Foundation, a health organization active in the prevention of kidney and urinary diseases, has included them in the group of superfoods. This is because they are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidant substances, such as anthocyanins. They represent one of the most important groups of pigments present in plants, which following some studies have shown to exert a protective effect on the kidneys, mainly due to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Not only that, blueberries can alleviate acute renal failure by reducing oxidative stress and exert cytoprotective effects. Cranberries, for example, help prevent and reduce the risk of urinary tract and kidney infections. This is due to their content of proanthocyanidins, a class of polyphenols that prevent bacteria, such as Escherichia coli, from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract and therefore from spreading to the kidneys, avoiding the onset of serious complications, such as pyelonephritis. Blueberries generally improve blood circulation and the endothelial function of blood vessels, not only decreasing systolic and diastolic blood pressure values, but also reducing the risk of kidney damage related to cardiovascular problems. Blueberries thus indirectly improve the kidney's ability to filter blood, aiding in the process of eliminating waste substances. Apples. The apple tree is a fruit tree native to Central Asia, in particular to present-day Kazakhstan, capable of reaching 10 meters in height. Covered with a smooth or slightly rough skin, whose color varies from green to red to yellow, the apple is actually a false fruit, which instead corresponds to the core. Regardless of the botanical classification, apples are rich in beneficial properties for health and are also indicated for people suffering from kidney disease, given their low content of potassium, phosphorus, and sodium. An apple a day keeps dialysis away, says a study conducted by researchers from Colorado, highlighting how apple consumption can affect kidney health. Apples, and especially their peel, contain some plant-based compounds, including quercetin. This is a natural flavonoid compound with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and has been shown in a large number of studies to protect the kidneys, alleviating renal toxicity, fibrosis, apoptosis, and inflammation in a variety of kidney diseases. For these reasons, quercetin could be one of the promising drugs in the treatment of kidney disorders. Grapes. Covered with a skin whose color varies from golden yellow to green and from black purple to red, grapes are the fruit of the vine, a climbing shrub grown mainly for the production of wine. With a soft pulp, and a sweet flavor. Grapes are rich in vitamins A, B, and C and mineral salts, especially potassium, and in smaller quantities of manganese, copper, phosphorus, and iron. Grapes are one of the most cultivated and consumed fruits in the world and contain over 1,600 phytonutrients, including some important antioxidant substances such as catechins, anthocyanins, flavonoids, and resveratrol. All these substances have been shown in various experimental models to possess nephroprotective properties and in particular neutralize free radicals that accumulate in the body and cause oxidative stress. This is a pathological condition due to an alteration of the physiological balance that can damage renal cells and may contribute to the development of chronic kidney disease. For example, hypertension is one of the main risk factors for the development of kidney disease, as the high pressure with which blood flows inside the blood vessels can damage kidney tissue, including capillaries, glomeruli, and renal tubules. Grapes, thanks to their high content of antioxidant substances, have been shown to improve cardiac function and reduce blood pressure levels, indirectly helping to protect the kidneys and preserve their filtration capacity. Pineapple. Native to tropical America and belonging to the bromeliad family, pineapple is one of the most consumed tropical fruits in the world. With its characteristic more or less cylindrical shape, covered with a tough and leathery skin, and a sweet and juicy yellow pulp, pineapple boasts numerous beneficial properties for health, including those on the kidneys. Pineapple is an excellent source of vitamins, fiber, and mineral salts, but above all of bromelain. This is an enzyme present in the juice and stem of pineapple, which has been shown to have diuretic, draining, anti-inflammatory, and digestive properties. Bromelain can therefore help reduce inflammation of the kidneys and urinary tract, and at the same time promotes diuresis, thus counteracting urinary tract infections. Although there are no direct clinical studies on the effect of pineapple and bromelain on the formation and management of kidney stones, however, its diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties may indirectly reduce their risk of occurrence. Pineapple is in fact a fruit with a high water content, about 85 to 90% of its weight, which promotes hydration and helps stimulate diuresis. An adequate intake of liquids is essential to prevent the formation of kidney stones, as it helps dilute urine and prevent the precipitation and aggregation of substances normally present in urine, such as calcium, oxalate, and uric acid. In conclusion, we have seen how nutrition plays a crucial role in maintaining kidney health, as it helps to preserve their functionality and reduce the risk of onset or worsening of some kidney diseases. It is important to remember, however, that in the presence of a diagnosed kidney disease, it is essential to follow the indications of a doctor or a specialized nutritionist, since some foods or nutrients that are normally healthy may be contraindicated or require closer monitoring based on the severity of the kidney disease.